Alright guys, this is again B4TW playing Clan Ops right now in demolition
UAV awaiting orders.
and enjoy.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Reload!
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
And again, do not mind the split screen.
RCXD inbound.
Gun down! Troy! Shut up! Shoot her down! Transitioning!
Charges set. UAV awaiting orders.
Move it!
RCXD ready for
Too dangerous back here!
Move with weapons!
Come on! Oh no, I'm so close to an orbital!
UAV on standby.
I'm so close to an orbital, but I died.
Hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV inbound.
Run, nigga.
Ain't moving! New mag!
Charges diffused.
Going exposure! Fire up! Sniper, get down!
Oh, this game is scared to me.
Good job. Get ready for the next round. Halftime. Clear the objectives. RCXD inbound.
Going right! Get moving! Lane tactics!
And why all of a sudden my
Down!
camera went so
On your feet!
What in the world? They denied it?
Sitting waypoint! Get up! Gun down, stand by! Down! Wanna get paid? Move it!
Charges set. Friendly UAV inbound.
I'm out!
RCXD ready for launch.
Oh, that was fake.
Shut out! Sitting waypoint! Move it! Move it! Changing.
I really don't care. Like that. That was just like I really don't care. Now we have to come and tear this up. And I do is camping. And I do is camping and plant it! Oh, he came from the side. Just keep planting. Just keep planting that.
wow, your aim was off.
UAV incoming.
Diffusing.
Oh, that was... What? He did not shoot me in my head.
Get up!
Hey, somebody gonna help me or they just like gonna watch me die.
Kill!
Ball game, nigga. Ball game. Ball game, these niggas. Oh, hell no.
Oh my, come on now.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
dude covering me. And he's a sniper.
RCXD in your AO.
I don't understand this. Not one bit. Like that. That was fake as ever.
Put the tactical insurgent somewhere near the bomb, so you don't have to run a distance.
Bomb deactivated.
Like I said.
That bomb deactivated, and I'm right here trying to plan it again, so we can get the point. And we can upgrade our plan, and I'm trying to get new kills also. Wow! Oh my! How did he even get behind us? That's my question.
Reload.
How in the
Stitch them
living
up.
world did that one guy get behind us?
Right down.
Wow, this seems like another W.
Move it.
And yes, it is. It's a W for us.
Yay, kill! Light him up! Light him up!
Oh.
Oh, I got that kill.
And thank you guys. Subscribe us and hit the like button below. Thank you.
That would have been dome shot.